Hi there, my name is Fiona Bolton, and today I was drinking and making my MSM and Shine, and then I noticed all this Limescale in my kettle. Coming from Australia, I'm not used to Limescale, so it's really something I find rather repulsive and have to clean my kettle regularly. Now, for that reason, I know that there are a lot of toxins in standard kettle cleaners. Natural Descalers are so toxic. The ones that you put in your dishwasher, the ones you put in your washing machine, and of course in your kettle. You don't want to have non-food grade things in the kitchen, really. So I created this food grade kettle cleaner. I want to show you how easy it is today. Take hold of your kettle cleaner, open the kettle. Now, if I'm in a hurry, I'll pour in quite a bit. But as I'm not really in a hurry today, that little amount is fine. Now, you will clean the kettle as to how much water you fill into the kettle. Now, because I clean this regularly, I only have a small amount of Limescale in here. So you can see it's already beginning to dissolve. I didn't pour much in there. I was just about to take it over to turn the kettle on and boil it so you can see how fast this works, but actually it's already dissolved because the kettle water was still a little bit warm from when I made my lemon drink with my Shine and MSM. So come have a look, it's completely cleared. Then all I need to do is pour it down the sink. I like to rinse it out personally, but I have had my stepchildren I should say, accidentally drink it when I was cleaning it, and they're perfectly fine because it's food grade. It's just a little salty. So you don't need to rigorously rinse it and rinse it and rinse it. You just throw it out, do a little swish with some clean water, and then pop it back in to the kettle stand so you feel that you can clearly drink without any chunks of Limescale. If you like this video, let me know. Just like and subscribe, leave in the comments so that I can make more of these videos. Because I'm here to help you. I support you every single week with multiple videos on YouTube. So just let me know what your favorites are and I can make your fertility journey easier. If you'd like to book in a complimentary consult, just sign up to my newsletter, awakeningfertility.com/newsletter, and I look forward to meeting you and doing a 60-minute deep dive fertility consultation with you then.